A study report said in 2010 the population of the United States was 308,745,538 people, and the land area was approximately 3,531,905 square miles. Based on the study, what was the population density in people per square mile of the United States in 2010? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. All right, so remember our population density formula is equal to population density is equal to population divided by area. If you did not remember that, the problem reminds you of it. So if you look here, it asks you what was the population density in people per square mile. So right there, they're telling you you need to take the number of people, which is the population, and divide it by the square miles, which is the area. So we're just going to take our two numbers here right from the problem. So we're going to do population density is equal to 308,745,538 divided by the area, which is 3,531,905 square miles. So you're going to take those two values and you're going to divide them on Desmos. Now notice I didn't write any commas in here when I was substituting my values in. Desmos does not like when you enter commas, so if you put the commas in these numbers, it will give you an error. So you're going to take this, type it in Desmos, and then round your answer to the nearest tenth. Remember, nearest tenth is one digit after the decimal point. To round something to the nearest tenth, you use the hundredths place, so you go to the second digit after the decimal point. If the number in the hundredths place is 5 or bigger, it's going to round your tenths place up. If the number in the hundredths place is less than 5, your tenths value will stay the same.